Hi, welcome to today's quick shot episode. This first one will be pretty quick. It's just kind of setting up the scene for us to build on and adding a flashlight to the first person character. This is a first person project. If you want to set up like I did, I just added a few 400 by 400 walls and a door within here and a roof, so it basically creates a small dark little room. Added some tables and chairs and benches and the little statue thing just to kind of make it look a little better basically, and I added a light above the door. I'm gonna get to the door and the switches and fan in the next episode, so don't worry if your door is just open. Just for testing, if you pop in, it's pretty dark, so I just wanted to add a flashlight to it. So to do that, the way I did it, just go to Project Settings, go to Input, and under Action Mappings, you'll want to add a new one with the little plus marker. I called mine Flashlight with the F so I remember which key it is, and I just assigned that to the F key. There's no saving it or anything, so you can just X out. Next, go to Blueprints, go to your first person character, and what you want to do is go to the viewport and click the first person character, add component, and you'll want to add a spotlight right here. And you're going to want to drag that under the first person character, because since it's its parent, that means when you're looking around and the camera is changing angle and looking around, the spotlight's going to stay like right in front of it, so it knows. So it'll be, the spotlight will go where you're looking basically. And I just set that up. I raised the intensity up just a pretty good ways. Lower the spotlight and increase the inner cone, because the inner cone is basically where it's 100% lit and it'll be a little bit less lit around the ring. Compile, save, just test it. That looks pretty good for what I want. Now I want them to be able to turn it on and off, so go back to the viewport, click spotlight, scroll down in the details, make it not visible so it starts turned off. Go to the event graph somewhere, and I'll go over this in the next episode for the line trace stuff. Just right click, type in however you called it. I called mine flashlight. When we press it, we want to toggle the visibility basically. So go over to the component and drag the spotlight in. So this is referencing spotlight. You can pull off this pin, type toggle visibility. So every time you press it, it'll turn it on and off. Compile, save, play, and now when you press F, it'll turn it on and off. So that's about it for this episode. Just a real short one. The next episode, I'll cover the interface blueprints, and we'll start setting up the pretty crummy looking fan and how to set the switches. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have ideas for episodes for us to do in later quick shots, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to the list.